If you asked random people on the street what they think about poverty, you'd get a lot of different answers. Some might say poverty means not having enough food, while others might talk about always struggling to pay bills. Someone else might see it as not having a place to live. Everyone sees it differently. If you've never been poor yourself, it's hard to understand what it's really like. For people born poor or suddenly finding themselves in that situation, it can feel like there's no way out. But for those who refuse to give up and accept poverty, there are ways to break free. In today's video, we'll talk about the 7 ways people can use to escape poverty or avoid it completely. Before we begin, please like the video and subscribe for more great content like this. Let's get started. Number 1. Mind control. Many people find it hard to develop the right mindset. A lot of times, what we believe comes from what's around us, not from our own ideas. Our views slowly change as we're influenced by our surroundings. Whether it's growing up poor or listening to what others think, external factors heavily impact the formation of our opinions. Social media, radio, and television flood us with ideas, shaping what we think and even what we buy without us always realizing it. It's similar to entering a supermarket on an empty stomach. Surrounded by all these tempting things, you usually buy more than you planned. Likewise, schemes like pyramid schemes promise to make you rich fast with little money, but they often lead many to financial ruin. The main point? Our minds can be easily tricked, and what we believe isn't always really what we think. Spending a lot of time, money, and effort on things that don't help us isn't a good idea. It's crucial to take control of our minds. Even if we were born into poverty, we don't want our children to go through the same thing. Understand the value of your mind and take care of it. Regain control over your thoughts and figure out what is best for you. Engage in activities that ignite your passion and help you reach your goals. Take ownership of your mindset. It can lead you to happiness and success. Number 2. Education. Your strongest tool against poverty is education. Cultivate a hunger for knowledge. The less you know, the easier it is for others to take advantage of you, and nobody wants that. Education is often called the key to success and is very important in this fight. Make sure you equip yourself with the tools of financial literacy, an area often neglected in traditional education systems. Take the lead in learning about money matters, including but not limited to understanding various financial products and your rights. Learn about credit, financial markets, personal finance management, credit scoring systems, financial statements, and beyond. This comprehensive knowledge will not only give you an edge, but also help you make smart choices, save more money, and find the best deals. Also, knowing all this helps protect you from scams that could mess up your finances. Arm yourself with knowledge, because it's your strongest defense when things get tough. Number 3. Develop skills. Poverty, at its essence, is characterized by a lack of financial resources, but it's also connected to not having enough skills. To escape poverty, learning a useful skill is one of the best ways to do it. Invest your efforts in mastering a skill that holds market demand. There are lots of free ways to learn new skills. You could work with local craftsmen like carpenters or mechanics, or use online resources like books and tutorials to get good at things like design, programming, or marketing. Doing your job well is the first important step in this journey. With the right attitude, you can make enough money to live on and feel really good about yourself as you get better at what you do. Keep getting better at what you do by practicing a lot, and try to be known in your community as someone who's really good at it. Use what you're good at to make money, and always look for chances to get better and do more. Number 4. Get professional. To stand out from others in what you do, it's important to use your special abilities well. Clients hire you not because of charity, but because you can solve their problems. Whether you provide a product or a service, your primary objective is to address your clients' needs effectively. Strive to deliver exceptional service and avoid complacency. Leaving clients dissatisfied can ruin your reputation and make it harder to get more work later on. Understand that clients want really good service and the best results possible. Your focus should be meeting their needs to achieve your own goals. Take good care of your work, like you would with something you really love and care about. Positive feedback and referrals from satisfied clients helps your business grow. Building good relationships and being liked by others in your field are crucial for long-term success. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the ripple effect of positive word-of-mouth recommendations on your business growth. Number 5. Learn to sell. Salesmanship is really important in our world's operations. Think about how the New York Times puts more focus on authors who sell the most books rather than those who write the best, which is pretty interesting to think about. Mastery of the art of selling translates to substantial financial success. It's important to mention that the highest paying job worldwide is sales, with many of the richest people excelling in it. They skillfully sell their ideas, products, services, and knowledge. What's great about this skill is that anyone can learn it. You don't need a formal education or special talent. Start small by selling things to people you know, like family, friends, and even strangers. Over time, you'll improve your sales skills, making it easy to sell products both locally and to bigger companies. The opportunities are even greater. You can start your own franchise and expand into international markets. The scope of selling knows no bounds. Indeed, the entire framework of our world revolves around the fundamental exchange of goods and services. Number 6. Entitlement. In today's world, achieving success requires considerable effort. The traditional idea of education has changed a lot. In the past, jobs were supported by colleges and universities, which often gave financial help based on market needs. But as more people got college degrees, the job market became overcrowded. So now, getting a good job requires more than just having a college degree. It's important to manage your expectations. Just doing well in school doesn't guarantee you'll get special treatment or a job. In a society where everyone focuses on themselves, people often don't think about the problems others face. Thinking you deserve special treatment because of your background or past struggles isn't fair. Value hard work and take entry-level positions or jobs that might seem less important at first to build a strong base for yourself. Success is not bestowed upon anyone. It must be earned through perseverance and determination. In today's competitive landscape, only those with unwavering drive and resolve will triumph. Gone are the days when opportunities were handed out freely. Nowadays, you have to work hard to create your own path to success. Number 7. In with success. It's important to understand that you can't become something you hate. People stuck in poverty often see rich people as only caring about themselves. But it's important to know that caring about yourself is something everyone does. It's just part of being human. While poverty may instill a sense of humility, but it can also make it hard to see what you really want in life. Not everyone who's rich is mean, but some do act greedy, selfish, or unfair. Understanding human nature reveals that individuals typically try to get things for themselves, whether in relationships or careers. Knowing this fundamental aspect of human behavior helps you understand what they want and how you can help them get it. When you help others, you also help yourself succeed. It's an important part of being successful. Cultivate a mindset geared towards progress and success, and you'll find yourself empowered to pursue your goals and break free from the constraints of poverty. Many people work hard to get out of bad situations because they want to be in charge of their own lives. If this sounds like you, promise yourself that you'll do something, even if it's small, to start making things better. The first step is to make an attempt. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to catch all my future videos. See you next time.